What up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo bringing to you another unboxing. So, it should be fitting that I put this package under the Strange Music blanket because this is a Strange Music unboxing. Tech 9 Interfere. I already did my unboxing pre-order for that one. It's got quite a bit of views. Now this, I ordered Strange Music steering wheel cover. My wife and I took advantage of the Strange Music 50% off sale that's going on their website. So I ordered that. Now, everything I ordered in this box was in their clearance section already. So the shirts were already inexpensive as is. The Tech 9 Collabos Welcome to Strange Land shirt. Now, all these shirts I show you that are white and they're older shirts, like the Collabos Welcome to Strange Land and Tech 9's Strange Rain Canadian Tour. Now, obviously, I didn't go on the tour. It's not a VIP shirt. I didn't get to go. But these shirts are going to be my home shirts. What I mean by home shirts is when you're not going anywhere, you're just lounging at home, chilling out. Tech 9 Collabos Psychology 101. And like I said, it's a VIP shirt. Obviously, it's an older shirt. So, these shirts are going to have the sleeves cut off. So, they're going to be like a homemade tank top. Stevie Stone Multi-Band Tour VIP. So, those are the shirts. They're going to become home shirts for me. This shirt right here, the size medium, but look at that. I have a surprise for this shirt. It's not going to be lasting as a shirt very long. Strange Nation on the back. And again, I ordered this off the Strange Music website. They're 50% off sale. Now this one, Chris Calico. You know, he was doing his little commercials for the 50% off sales for a while. Ordered that one for my beautiful wife. This Big Scoob bandana. I'm a big fan of Big Scoob. You know, to me, he would go great with Ice Cube and Dub C if they were to do a collab album, man. That would be so cool. He would sound great doing collabo songs with like Young Jeezy or Jeezy as he calls himself. The Chris Calico bandana. Got that for my wife. And again, excuse the work. Sorry about that. Hand of God. Big Scoob. Now that one's my shirt. I ordered that for me. This is a Tech 9 bandana. Ordered this for my wife. The Mackenzie Nicole water bottle. Purple. If anyone ever really wondered, should I not order these? Is it really worth it? You know, look at these shades. The Strange Music emblems on the side. Comes with the sunglasses baggie to put your sunglasses in, and this Strange Music sunglass case holder. Pretty solid. You know, it's worth it. It's worth ordering. Especially at 50% off. Why not take advantage of that, you know? I look forward to the Strange Music 50% off sales, the back to school sales they do, or the Strange Giving sales they do. McKinsey Nicole socks. Strange Music Tech 9 license plate. And the Strange Music license plate. And last but not least, another water bottle. So, this was my order. Strange Music order that they were doing. I decided to take advantage of ordering some shirts, bandanas, and water bottle, and the steering wheel cover. Now, my wife and I already got the steering wheel cover at one point. It's old and needed to be replaced. So there we go. Replaced it. So, you know, that's their quick shipping. Very quick shipping. Strange Music does a great job shipping stuff out very quickly. So my advice is take advantage. Go for it. Order the stuff while it's 50% off and it will get to you right away. I hope you enjoyed it. Whoop whoop. Much motherfucking cloud love.